Fresh from our kitchen, we are going to be making an amazing energy boosting, fatigue fighting, metabolism increasing berry smoothie that you're going to love, and it only has 3 ingredients. Let's go. So I get it, you got a long day, maybe you had a short amount of sleep, maybe you didn't get enough deep sleep and you're just like halfway through the day and you're like, man, I'm so sleepy, or I just want to get a little pick-me-up, and you want to reach for the coffee. And here we're Happy Meals, we're always trying to fight the caffeine. Caffeine isn't bad, but we're really trying to limit it. What's going on, guys? My name is Vernon, and today we're going to be talking about a 3-ingredient, energy boosting, metabolism increasing, fatigue fighting berry smoothie that's going to taste delicious. By the way, it's called peanut butter and jelly, so you know it's got to taste good, right? But don't worry, you're not going to be stressed about the calories, you're not going to be stressed about the sugar, because there's practically 0 sugar in here, only from the fruits that you're going to be using. I'm going to give you a few cheats that make sure it's not watery and make sure it has a really good consistency that you are going to love. By the way, if you love content like this, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so you can get the freshest foods from Happy Meals. All right, so let me show you the counter. It's really simple. It's going to be so simple, you're going to be like, you're going to make it more complicated, but don't. Trust me. All right, let's go to the counter and I'm gonna show you how we do this. All right, so check this out. So right now, it's gonna be the same ingredients, except what we're gonna do is make the biggest differences here in the peanut butter, which I'm going to get to in a second. But both of these, don't be intimidated by this. This is literally 3 ingredients, as I was saying earlier. 1 cup of milk. I just had these in 2 half-cup containers. 1 cup of frozen berries. Now, I like to do the mixed berries. This is a delicious peanut butter and jelly protein shake that is going to boost your energy up, especially with so much antioxidants, so much fiber, and it's also got so much really good flavor and protein for you. Now over here we have almond butter. That could be a preference thing, right? So it depends on what works for you. Right over here, what we have is the powdered peanut butter. Now I tend to kind of favor this only because this is a lot easier, especially if I'm traveling or something like that. But that's the big reason for this. Again, 1 cup of almond milk. I split this up in 2 half-cup containers. 1 cup of mixed berries. Again, 2 half-cup containers, and 2 tablespoons, and that's in both of these, of the dried peanut butter and of the almond butter. This is a really simple recipe. You won't need anything else other than these 3 ingredients and a blender, and you're going to be able to make this happen. A little trick for you. What I like to do is make sure I always use frozen berries, because that way you don't have to use ice. And ice is going to water it down, and ain't nobody got time for that, especially when you're drinking enough water as it is. Now, if you like yours a little bit watery, then perfect, you're in good shape, but I don't, so I'm just going to mix everything just like so. Told you this was simple. It's only 3 ingredients, not including the blender and also the glass and maybe the straw, but it's only 3 ingredients. There's no reason why you can't make this really quick. Kids love it, my son love it, we love it. It's a simple thing, but here's the best thing. It's gonna fight a lot of that midday fatigue that you feel with the protein, as I was mentioning earlier, the antioxidants, the fiber. Also, it's got some really good healthy calories for you that kind of perks you up and really helps the metabolism, because you're not gonna be skipping a meal. That's one of the things that slows your metabolism down, not eating. It's not good for you, but this recipe takes care of that. All right, so here comes a moment of truth. First up, we're gonna try this with the dehydrated peanut butter. That is definitely peanut butter and jelly. All right, so this one I'm really excited about because I love this with almond butter. I wanna make sure that you're gonna be right here when I taste this with you. Just as creamy, just as good. But that almond butter really gives it such a different kind of flavor profile, if that makes any sense. Guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this. If you love content like this, make sure you hang around. We are dropping videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and making sure we're helping you be happy with Happy Meals. If you like videos like this, check out our other videos.